Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a sturdy rod. To begin your journey, you'll first need the basic fishing tool, the bamboo pole. This is typically given to you by Willie, the local fisherman, early in your game. It's your starting point for catching fish and gaining essential experience. Don't worry, even with this simple rod, you can start building your fishing skill right away. The next step is to significantly improve your fishing skill. You'll need to actively fish in rivers, lakes, and the ocean to gain experience points. Your goal is to reach fishing level 2. As you level up, fishing becomes a bit easier, and you'll unlock new crafting recipes and items, paving the way for better equipment. With your fishing skill at level 2, head over to Willie's Fish Shop, located on the beach. Here, you can purchase the fiberglass rod, which is your sturdy upgrade. It costs 1,800 gold. This new rod is a significant improvement as it allows you to attach bait, which will greatly increase your chances of catching fish. Now that you have your sturdy fiberglass rod, equip it and start attaching bait to maximize your catches. Keep fishing diligently to further increase your skill level. As you progress, you'll eventually reach fishing level 6, which unlocks the ultimate fishing tool, the iridium rod. This top-tier rod allows both bait and tackle, making you a true fishing master.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.